Good evening, everyone. It is July 20th, 2017. We're doing 2017 Panini Gold Standard Football 2-box break number 6, random teams. So, everybody gets a random team, $10 a break. Good luck. Roll the dice. 1 and a 3, so we're going to go 4 times on the list of names and teams 4 times. Here's a list of names and teams. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just went by the list, so I mean I'm not sure. Nick put the list together, so we're gonna roll with it. So 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final time. After 4 times, Maxime is at the top. Peter Ang is at the bottom. Let's get a new list going. Alright, so 4 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final time. After 4 times, Chicago Bears are at the top. Washington Redskins are at the bottom. So we rolled a 4, yep. So Maxime, you have Chicago Bears, Josh Kolb with the Giants, Allen with the Chargers, Gregory with the Eagles, Jacob, you have the Falcons, Kyle with the Jaguars, Jacob with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Will Kelly with the Cowboys, Matt Alexander with the Titans, Justin A with the Lions, David Chavez with the Colts, Thomas T with the Cardinals, Scott V with the Bills, Allen with the Bengals, Jacob with the Browns, Allen with the Broncos, Casey Last Spot Mojo with the Raiders, Scott with the Steelers, Lindsay. Oh, so I think that is you right there. There it is right there. Lindsay J with the Vikings, Jacob with the Rams and Packers, John with the Panthers, Colin with the 49ers, Brad with the Ravens, Arthur, you have the Seahawks, Josh H with the Patriots, Paul with the Jets, Mike Coons with the Titans, Allen with the Chiefs, Colin with the Saints, Jacob Hobbs with the Dolphins, and Peter Ang with the Washington Redskins. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to quickly pause the video, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up these last 2 boxes of the case of Gold Standard Football, so stick around. Alright guys, welcome back. Here it is. Gold Standard number 6. Last Spot Mojo, Casey with the Raiders. Gregory, you may be lagging, man. Maybe refresh the video. You may be lagging. I have no clue, man. I have no clue what has been pulled out of here. But we'll find out what we're gonna pull out of here. All right. So there you go, Adam Thielen, 7 of 79. Well, there you go. Try to trade the Vikings. There you go. Put a little hit right there. It's going to Lindsay. Cameron Bratt, 8 of 49. Going to Tampa Bay, going to Jacob T. Jeremy McNichols, 17 of 199. That's another hit for the Tampa Bay Bucks. And Jacob T. Josh Reynolds, 155 of 199 for the LA Rams. Let's go into the Los Angeles Rams and Jacob T. We have Golden Jumbo Threads, DeAndre Washington, 6/49. Oakland Raiders, Last Ball Mojo going to Casey. Golden Rookies, autograph, Brian Hill for the Falcons, 84/149. Atlanta Falcons, going to Jacob T. And triple relic and some ink, 17/49, Donta Foreman. Houston Texans, going to Mike Kuntz. Alright, one box down, second box. Jamal Adams, 56/79 for the Jets. Paul Harris. Garrett Bowles, 68/79. Denver Broncos, Alan Murdoch. Got Tyler Lockett, Golden Gear, 72/99. Seattle Seahawks, going to Arthur. There you go, man. Geno Atkins, relic, 67/99 for Cincinnati, going to Alan Murdoch. We have Corey Clement, Golden Rookie Signatures, 58/149 for my Philadelphia Eagles, and Gregory B. Couple more to go. We have, for the Raiders, 133/149, Obi. Malfangwu. That's another hit for Casey. Last Ball Mojo, Oakland Raiders. Last card is triple relic autograph, 30/49, Leonard Fournette for the Jacksonville Jaguars. There you go. Jacksonville, going to Kyle P. Well, there you go, guys. That was a 2-box break of Gold Standard Football, Random Teams number 6. If we post another one, that'll be from a fresh case. Jaspy's Hobbyland 10-buck breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.